Did you know that 60% of our body is made up of water? Wonder why we need so much of it? Well, water isn't just about quenching your thirst. It's a lifeline, a magic potion that keeps us functioning. And it's got a little secret too. It's a natural weight loss aid. The key to shedding those unwanted pounds might just be in your water bottle. Stick around as we dive deeper into the science of hydration and its weight loss superpowers. Hydration isn't just about quenching your thirst. It's about keeping your body running smoothly. Now let's dive into the science of hydration. You may think of water as a simple, clear, tasteless fluid, but it's so much more than that. It's a vital component of our bodies, making up about 60% of our body weight. It's like the oil in a well-oiled machine, ensuring that all our bodily systems work together harmoniously. Firstly, hydration plays a key role in digestion. When we consume food, our body breaks it down into simpler substances that our cells can use. This process, known as digestion, relies heavily on water. Water helps in the breakdown of food and also aids in the smooth transportation of nutrients to where they're needed. Secondly, water is a crucial player in nutrient absorption. After our food is broken down during digestion, the nutrients are absorbed into our bloodstream. Water facilitates this process, helping our bodies to absorb the essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients from our food. Thirdly, hydration helps maintain our body temperature. Water has a high heat capacity, meaning it can absorb a lot of heat before its temperature rises. This property is crucial in helping our bodies regulate temperature. When we're hot, we sweat. And as that sweat evaporates, it cools down our bodies, preventing us from overheating. These are just a few of the ways hydration impacts our bodies. Various scientific studies, like those conducted at the University of Sheffield and the Mayo Clinic, have demonstrated the importance of hydration in these processes. So, you see, hydration is a bit of a superhero in our bodies. It's not just about quenching thirst. It's about supporting digestion, helping with nutrient absorption, regulating body temperature, and overall, keeping our bodies running smoothly. So next time you're thinking of skipping that glass of water, remember it's fuel for your body. Ever heard of water being a secret weapon for weight loss? Well, it's not so secret anymore. Water, as simple as it may seem, plays a significant role in weight loss. It's not a magic potion, but it certainly aids in the process. One of the ways it does this is by helping control hunger. Imagine the stomach as an empty bag. When we fill it with food, we feel satisfied. But what if we could fill it without the extra calories? That's where water comes in. Drinking a glass of water before meals can make you feel fuller, helping you eat less, and thus aiding in weight loss. This fact has been supported by a study published in the journal Obesity, where researchers found that participants who drank 2 glasses of water before meals lost about 4.5 pounds more than those who didn't. Water also plays a role in increasing metabolism. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that drinking about 17 ounces of water increased metabolic rate by 30% in healthy men and women. This means that the more hydrated you are, the more calories you burn, even at rest. Additionally, water helps facilitate physical activity, which is crucial for weight loss. When we're well hydrated, we can exercise longer and harder, burning more calories in the process. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that proper hydration can significantly improve exercise performance. Lastly, water assists in flushing out waste from our bodies. When we're dehydrated, our kidneys can't function properly, leading to a buildup of toxins that can cause inflammation and slow down weight loss. So you see, water isn't just for quenching thirst. It's a vital tool in weight management. From controlling hunger to boosting metabolism, facilitating exercise, and aiding in detoxification, water truly is a weight loss ally. As you embark on your journey towards a healthier you, remember to keep a water bottle close by. After all, as we've learned today, water might just become your new best friend on your weight loss journey. Even the Bible appreciates the importance of water. It's mentioned more than wine or bread. This universal elixir has been acknowledged for its life-sustaining properties since ancient times. Let's take a dive into the biblical scripture for a moment. Proverbs 25:25 says, "As cold waters to a thirsty soul, so is good news from a far country." This verse beautifully encapsulates the relief and satisfaction water brings to a thirsty soul. Just as receiving good news can uplift our spirits, a glass of cool water can re-energize a weary body. This simple act of hydration, so often taken for granted, can be a source of profound joy. So the next time you sip on your glass of water, remember this biblical connection. Remember the joy and satisfaction it brings, not just to your body but to your soul. Just like good news, a glass of water can bring so much joy to a parched body. Let me share a personal story with you all about the power of hydration. It was a bright summer's day, and I was on one of my long, adventurous hikes. The sun was high in the sky, and the heat was intense. I thought I was prepared. I had my hat, my sunscreen, and of course, my trusty water bottle. For the first couple of hours, everything was peachy. The views were breathtaking, and I felt like I was on top of the world. But then, I started feeling a little lightheaded. My steps became heavier, my mouth felt dry, and my energy was rapidly depleting. I was dehydrated. I gulped down the remaining water in my bottle, but it wasn't enough. I had underestimated the power of hydration and overestimated my body's capacity to handle the heat. The hike back was a struggle. Each step felt like a Herculean task. By the time I finally reached my car, I was spent. I immediately drove to the nearest store and bought myself a big bottle of water. I drank it all in one go. The relief was instant. I could feel my energy returning, my head clearing up, and my body thanking me. That experience was a wake-up call. I realized that I had been neglecting my hydration needs for a long time. I was so focused on my weight loss journey, counting calories, and keeping active, that I forgot one of the most fundamental aspects of health hydration. From that day forward, I made sure to drink enough water every day. I started carrying a water bottle with me wherever I went. I drank even when I wasn't thirsty. And you know what? It made a world of difference. My energy levels increased, my skin looked healthier, and I even noticed that my weight loss journey became easier. That's when I realized hydration isn't just about drinking water, it's about keeping my body happy. Let's talk about some practical tips to keep you hydrated throughout the day. We all know hydration is essential, but how do we ensure we're getting enough? Well, here are a few handy tips. First off, carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go. It's a simple trick, but it works. If water is always within arm's reach, you're more likely to sip throughout the day. Plus, you'll be doing the environment a favor by reducing your use of disposable plastic bottles. Next, why not try a hydration app? There are plenty out there, and they can be an excellent way to remind yourself to drink up. Many apps will even calculate how much water you should be drinking based on your weight, activity level, and local weather conditions. Consider infusing your water with fruits, herbs, or a splash of juice. Not only does this add a burst of flavor, making your water more appealing, but you also get the added benefit of vitamins and antioxidants from the fruits and herbs. Remember, not all your hydration has to come from water. Fruits and vegetables are packed with water, so eating a salad, biting into a juicy peach, or even enjoying a bowl of cucumber slices can contribute to your water intake. And of course, listen to your body. Thirst is your body's way of telling you that you need to drink more water. But don't wait until you're thirsty to hydrate. By the time you feel thirst, you may already be slightly dehydrated. Finally, make it a habit to drink water before, during, and after exercise. And if you're working out for longer than an hour, consider a sports drink that can help replace the electrolytes you're sweating out. These simple habits can make a huge difference in your hydration levels. So let's raise a glass, of water of course, to staying hydrated and healthy. Remember, every sip counts when it comes to hydration, so keep sipping and stay refreshed. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus fact about hydration. Did you know that drinking water can actually help boost your mood? That's right. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, mild dehydration, even without physical exertion, can negatively affect your mood and cognitive functions. Imagine this. A body that's just 2% dehydrated starts to show signs of impaired physiological and performance responses. That's like having a car running low on oil. It might still run, but not as smoothly as it should. On the flip side, ensuring you're well hydrated can help maintain your brain's serotonin levels, a key hormone that stabilizes our mood, feelings of well-being, and happiness. So, not only does water keep your body functioning, but it also plays a crucial role in keeping your spirits high. So there you have it, an extra tidbit to impress your friends at the next trivia night. We've learned a lot about hydration today. We've delved into the science, understanding how water is vital for our bodies, and how it can even aid in weight loss. We've discovered the biblical connection, reminding us of the importance of water in both the physical and spiritual sense. We've illustrated just how impactful proper hydration can be. We've also armed ourselves with practical tips and tricks to help us stay hydrated, and even threw in a few bonus facts to keep us on our toes. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. And while you're at it, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and drop a comment below. Let's continue the conversation. Remember, every drop of water counts, so keep sipping and stay hydrated. Let's end with a thought-provoking quote. Lao Tzu, an ancient philosopher, once said, "Water is fluid, soft, and yielding, but water will wear away rock, which is rigid and cannot yield." As a rule, whatever is fluid, soft, and yielding will overcome whatever is rigid and hard. This is another paradox. What is soft is strong. Apply this wisdom to your health journey. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and let your health journey flow like a river. Until next time.